What's up, guys? We are back with another video. Mason, get off. And today we are going to be showing you how Dot jumps on the couch, and we'll see if we can get
a couch, it's a bed.
I mean a bed. Okay, Mason,
guys, it might look like a weird place.
Mason, come on, get up here. Dot, come on. You weren't on camera. Really hot, Dot. Did you have to do it right there? Okay, fortunately, that's her lucky spot. Listen, okay. Nope. No. Come on, Dad. Come on. Oh. Oh, hot dog, you did it. You did it.
Jacob?
Okay. Singing one's out, coming up for just. Hazel's right on the edge. Is that scary, Hazel? Oh, hey, ow! Don't bite my armpit, hot dot. Oh, Hazel, you're gonna have to go down. Look, you're touching. Come on, Hazel! Come on! We're gonna see if we can get Hazel too. She never does it anymore. Come on, Hazel! Come on! Hazel, we do tap out. Come on! Come on! Hazel, if you come up here, you can fight with Hot Dot. Come on, Hazel! Hi, Hot Dot. Oh. Hazel, don't leave.
She went out of the room.
Hazel. Okay, make sure Dot doesn't leave while I go get Hazel. Wow. And Dot just like, no, Dad. Guys. Hazel, Dot. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, Dad. Come on. And there's baby. Dot. Dot, look. Oh my God. Mason, get up. Okay, gotta get in close on this action. Baby, let it, and Dot fighting right by the edge. Mason, stop. The camera can't even see you stop, Mason. Wow. Is this? Looks like a close fight. Mason, oh! Mason, no pillows. No pillows, Mason. Mason, no. Oh my gosh, dude. They're just oh! As that one doesn't look too good. As they are both getting owies. And Hazel biting at Dot. His Hot Dot. Wants to walk off the edge, but knows it's not right to quit.
Okay.
Oh, his Dot almost slips off the edge. Dot, don't do it. Don't do it. That first time it was so weird. Mason, stop. It looks like editing. Mason, stop. Like the fight's going. Oh my gosh, they're looking off the deep edge, wondering if they will survive. And they start fighting.